already, y'all. I'm not gonna make cornbread with this. Don't get excited. It's gonna be a chili recipe. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make some vegan chili. Let's get started. Okay, so one of y'all asked me to make this chili in the comments on the last video, so I was like, oh, I can go for some chili. It's getting a little chilly outside. That was corny. Yeah, so I was like, no problem. That's a quick and easy recipe. I've made it before on this channel, but it's been a long time, so I thought I'd bring it back already. Alrighty guys, per usual, I have my kasari. You can use stovetop, and I have it on saute mode. I'm just gonna put in some avocado oil. Boom. I'm gonna put in 1 whole cup of bell peppers and 1 whole cup of onions. We'll let this cook down and start to sweat, guys. As soon as it becomes fragrant, we'll add in our garlic. Alright, we got sweat action. So however much garlic this is, we're gonna add it. Let me measure it for you guys. Let's see. Okay, so basically it's a little bit over a tablespoon of garlic in here, so add that on in. I would say that's a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of garlic. This already smells so good. That don't make no sense. Okay. Let's throw in some paprika and some chili powder. We're not going to measure it because at this point y'all know how the ancestors use you. You're going to go around the pan, okay? You're going to go around, make sure everything is covered. Again, it's not soft, so you can't go wrong, okay? Don't worry about it. Stop stressing. Alright, boom. I'm going to add in some more oil so this doesn't burn because we still haven't put in our meat substitute. Okay. Now for our meat, I was at Trader Joe's and I got the soy chorizo. I've never had this before, so y'all wish me luck. And we're going to get the turkey legs protein patties. Obviously, y'all can use the ground beef substitute. Y'all know I don't like that, so this is what we have. And in case you've never had these turkey patties, y'all, they are flavorless. Like, oh my gosh. Like, you have got to add all the flavor. They really are like, let's be clear, real turkey patties are not the move, okay? Alright, let's add in our chorizo. Ah! I meant to cut that up first. I'll just do it with my hand. Whatever. Oh, please let this taste good. Don't ruin my chili. Don't ruin my chili. Alright. I'm going to taste a little bit, y'all. Even though it's too late. It's too late. Oh, it's okay. I wouldn't eat it. I don't know if I'd eat it by itself. But dressed up, it's not bad. It ain't, not by itself though. Alright, let me quickly wash my hands again so we can add in our liquid. Again, this is trying to burn on me. You can tell I really went to Trader Joe's. We have organic tomatoes. This is a 1 pound can. Let's add this on into our mixture. I got fire roasted. Obviously, you don't have to do that. Y'all know I like spice. It's a problem I have, okay? It's a problem I have. I filled the can about halfway with water. We're going to add that in as well. So that's a cup of water. If this is a pound, that means that I added a cup of water. Come on, math. Alrighty, we're going to add in these kidney beans that I rinsed and drained. Here is the can for reference. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm going to add in just a couple dashes of liquid smoke. That's it. Some pepper. Some garlic and onion powder. Alright, before we give us a taste, going to add some cumin in. And yes, I know I have not added salt, y'all. I want to taste for flavor first before I add the salt to enhance the flavor. We need the flavor first. Alright, let's give it a taste. I don't want too many beans. Okay, whatever beans, fine. That is pretty good. There's no spice in there for me though. Hold on. I swear this is not a commercial for Trader Joe's. I swear, y'all. Y'all can use cayenne, but I bought this, so I'm gonna use it. It's just smoked ghost chilies, but you can use cayenne or no spice at all. You know, it's your chili. You don't need much of this. About a teaspoon of that. I'm also gonna add more chili powder. Y'all, this is what you taste your food for. Taste it first. And more cumin. Okay. Continuing our commercial for Trader Joe's, we're gonna add in some sea salt. Ooh, that side ain't shaking. Let's use this side. Okay, boom. I'm gonna give it another taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. I like it. I'm gonna switch this to simmer. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay, y'all, we're back. It's been the 30 minutes, but I just cooked this brown rice and quinoa gluten-free spaghetti pasta also from Trader Joe's because I'm trying to like lower my gluten intake. I've noticed that gluten does start to affect me, which I'm not excited about that. I was not trying to be one of them gluten-free vegans. I'm still not a gluten-free vegan, but I do try to avoid it if possible because I can feel what it's doing in my stomach. But look, y'all, the pasta, it said cook it al dente. I think I did, but it, y'all know the gluten-free struggle. Y'all can't tell on camera. Let me taste it. Cause I didn't say this. I eat pasta with my chili, not bread. I could, but it's just cornbread and chili don't go together for me. Not for me. It stinks. The texture's not as bad as I thought, but it stinks. And the flavor, it's gonna be good with the chili on top. Let's serve it up. Now my only thing, even looking at the texture of this chili, I think I should have put in one more pepper. I would have enjoyed 2 peppers in here. Now we gotta of course add some toppings. Nobody eats it. I mean, somebody does, but you don't serve it like this. Alright, let's do this cheese. I know y'all sick of this cheese. I know y'all sick of it. It's what I got. Let's do exactly from the last video. We got a dollop of Not Daisy, some vegan sour cream. There we go. And some green onion. Alright guys, I have it here. We are ready to chow down. Boom. I did not put the noodles in here. Y'all saw what I did. This is just for the aesthetics, but I will add my noodles for texture. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh. Hot. Oh. It tastes like chili. Now what I would do to like try something different, one day I do want to try beer chili. I don't drink beer, but just add a little flavor variety to this. And again, I would want some more peppers. Oh, but this is so good. It tastes like your classic chili. I'm not gonna say it would win a contest, but it tastes like chili. Like so warm, so comforting. Just the right amount of spice. Again, you can leave it out, but I cannot. I just cannot. Alright. I know y'all want to know what my mom thinks, so I'm gonna let her have a little bit. I don't know how much she'll like this spot because it is a little. We'll see. Let's go see if she'll try some. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.